measurement, the metric system. What are the different units we use? For distance, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. For mass, milligram, gram, kilogram, etc. For capacity, milliliter, liter, etc. All these are part of the metric system. They are also called metric units. There are many metric units. Here is a list. Kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. What goes in the unit place? It depends on what we are measuring. If you are measuring mass, the unit is gram. If you are measuring distance, the unit is meter. If you are measuring capacity, the unit is liter. When you attach the unit to the name, you get the units of that system. Let's try it. The unit of distance is meter. What are the metric units of distance? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. The unit of mass is gram. What are the metric units of mass? Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. The unit of capacity is liter. What are the metric units of capacity? Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. All these are prefixes. What are these names that we attach to the unit to make the name of the unit? They are called prefixes. All these are prefixes. You have to remember them in the same order. Here is a trick sentence to help you remember the order. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. The first letter of each word stands for a prefix. Usually, in the middle stands for the unit depending on what we are measuring. It can be meters, grams, or liters. The order of the prefixes is important. You can use the trick sentence to help you remember the prefixes. Why is the order of prefixes important? Because as we go from left to right, the unit gets smaller. As we go from right to left, the unit gets bigger. So, unless you remember the order, you aren't going to be able to understand the unit properly or convert it. Which is the bigger unit? Gram. Which is the bigger unit? Liter. Which is the bigger unit? Hectogram. Which is the bigger unit? Decameter. Which is the bigger unit? Decaliter. Do you now know what the prefixes of metric units are? Yes? Very good.